Grand Al Bustan has always been part of the EEG campaign, the Clean Up UAE campaign. For the past 5 years, we have volunteered, we have made a difference. We have always been part to make a change.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Well, we are here on behalf of Mövenpick Grand Al Bustan, Dubai. We are participating in the Clean UAE campaign, which is organized by EEG. Well, this campaign is organized every year, and it is such a privilege and honor to be a part of this campaign. Well, I feel so honored to do something for the country. Well, this is my second home away from my home. Well, lots to do: reuse, reduce and recycle. Off to go.